बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, एनटीएस की जानिब से आप सबको अपने चैनल में खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ। दोस्तों, हमने पाकिस्तान स्टडीज का जो सिलसिला शुरू किया है उसी सिलसिले में पार्ट नंबर 25 अपलोड कर लेते हैं। इससे पहले जितने भी पार्ट्स हो चुके हैं उनके लिंक्स वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज का टॉपिक हमारे पास है आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान, जिसको टू नेशन थ्योरी भी कहते हैं। आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान, देखिए दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए, आज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। द हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम बिलोंग टू टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स, फिलोसफीज, सोशल कस्टम्स, लिटरेचर्स। They neither intermarry nor interdine together, and indeed they belong to two different civilizations. These words were spoken by Muhammad Ali Jinnah at Lahore in March 1940, 1940. Option B is correct option है। Question number 2 देखिए, India is a continent of human groups belonging to different races, speaking different languages and professing different religions. These remarks were given in December 1930 by the renowned Muslim leader named Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Option D है। Question number 3 देखिए, ideology of Pakistan was the result of ideology of Pakistan, it is the result of two nation theory. Option C is the correct option. And question number 4 देखिए, 4 number question. In the late 30s, the concept of ideology of Pakistan was straightened by Congress ministers malfunctioning. Congress ministers malfunctioning. Malfunctioning के माने क्या है? Fail to function properly. And question number 5 देखे, Allama Iqbal put forward his concept of Pakistan in his Allahabad address delivered in the year 1930. Option C is the correct option है। Question number 6 देखे, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the word of Pakistan in the year 1933, 1933. Option A correct option है। 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, देयर आर ओनली टू फोर्सेज इन इंडिया टुडे, ब्रिटिश एम्पीरियलिज्म एंड इंडियन नेशनलिज्म एज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कांग्रेस. दीज रिमार्क्स वर गिवन इन द ईयर 1937 बाय, इट वाज गिवन बाय नेहरू. और 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, सर सिकंदर हयात खान, मौलवी फजल हक एंड सर मोहम्मद सादुल्लाह accepted M.A. Jinnah as their leader in the Lucknow session of Muslim League held in the year. It was held in the year 1937. Option A the correct option. Question number 9 देखिए, 9 number question. In the 19th century, the two nation theory was first highlighted by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Option D is the correct option. And question number 10 देखिए, 10 number question देखिए, the most significant development of the 1930s which strengthened Muslim belief in the two nation theory was misrule by Congress ministers. वही malfunctioning या misrules, वही बात फिर आ गई। ऑप्शन बी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 देखें, we maintain and told that Muslims and Hindus are two major nations of any definition or test of a nation. We are a nation of 100 millions, and what is more, we are a nation with our own distinctive culture and civilization, language and literature, art and architecture, names and nomenclature, sense of values and proportion, legal laws and moral code, custom and calendar, history and traditions, aptitudes and ambitions. These remarks about the two nation theory were given by Qaid-e-Azam in the year of, कब दिए गए थे? 1944. ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 देखें, 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन। आफ्टर द एडॉप्शन ऑफ लाहौर रिजोल्यूशन इन 1940 द मुस्लिम्स ऑफ इंडो पाकिस्तान realized behind the demand of Pakistan. The change in Muslim attitude at national level was reflected in the election of 42, 45, 46. Option B is the correct option. Question number 13 देखिए, 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन। Constitutionally, the principle of two-nation theory was accepted when the Muslims were granted the right of separate electorate and in Minto Morley reforms. Option D. Correct option is option D है। And question number 14 देखिए, North of India is Muslim and we will keep at Muslim. These remarks were made by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in the year of 1915। 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, इन जुलाई 1925 a powerful Mohammedan combination in the northwest in alliance with Afghanistan was visualized by, it was visualized by option A, B देखिए, option C विलियम आर्चीबोल्ड, ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट ऑप्शन है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 18-16 देखिए, The journal which in 1928 considered the suggestion of breaking up Indian provinces into small units in accordance with ethnic and local sentiment was, he was Empire Review, option C is the correct option. Question number 17 देखिए, 17 number, a former principal of Aligarh College who in 1931 declared that Hindus and Muslims were two nationalities was, he was Sir Theodore Morrison, option D. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 देखिए, 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन, how can it be expected that the infinitely greater diversities and divergent racial elements to be found in India could be welded into one self-governing and democratic whole? These remarks were made in 1932 by, it was made by Sir Reginald Craikdock, option B is the correct option है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 देखिए, 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन, it may be that Muslim India in the north and northwest is destined to become a Muslim state or part of a Muslim empire. These remarks were given by John Courtman 1932 in the book entitled Years of Destiny. Option D is the correct option. And question number 20 देखिए, there can be no peace and tranquility in this land if we the Muslims are dumped into a Hindu dominated federation. These remarks were given in 1933 by, it was given by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, option A. 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, the renowned magazine which observed in February 1937 that the provinces could be divided into two simple groups, Muslim India and Congress India was, it was Economist, option B correct है। And 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन को देखें, the person who admitted in 1939 that a partition India had come into the realm of practical politics was, he was इन मनसेहरा, ऑप्शन डी इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है। और 23 नंबर क्वेश्चन को देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, इन 1939 देयर 3 मुस्लिम जोन इन इंडिया वर सजेस्टेड बाय, इट वाज सजेस्टेड बाय डॉक्टर लतीफ, ऑप्शन ए। और 24 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिए, इन 1939 द रिनाउंड मुस्लिम लीडर who in his pamphlet entitled Outline of a Scheme of India Federation gave plan of division of India into 7 zones was, he was सिकंदर हयात। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इसके बाद न्यू टॉपिक शुरू होगा दोस्तों, तो उस वक्त के लिए इजाजत। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर लाजमी करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।